In this video, I'll show you guys how to use RIA Money Transfer banking app. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like, and watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So first of all, what is RIA Money Transfer? It is a global remittance service that enables users to send money to over 190 countries and territories. Established in 1987 and headquartered in California. With RIA, you can send money to more than 190 countries through a network of over 500 agent locations worldwide. The delivery is also really fast. Recipients can receive funds via cash pickup, bank deposit, mobile wallets, or home delivery depending on the destination country. Senders can fund transfers using debit card, credit card, or bank accounts. The RIA Money Transfer app allows you to send money, track transfers, and find nearby agent location with ease. And with over 35 years in the industry, RIA has facilitated over 1 billion secure transfers globally. Whether you're supporting family overseas or managing international payments, RIA offers a convenient and trusted solution for your money